If your Nintendo Switch 2 doesn't want to charge, if you have plugged the USB cable into the console and it's not charging, then what you can do is you can try to use a different port. Of course, we have two ports, two USB-C ports. We have one at the bottom and the other one at the top over here, in this place here. So you can use both of them in order to charge. So if either of them doesn't work, you can just switch to another port in order to try to charge it. If that doesn't help, if the other port doesn't work as well, you might want to use a different USB cable. So if you have any USB-C cable, you should be able to use it and just plug it into the charger or power adapter and then see if that helps, if the console is being charged. If you are using the charger or power adapter but it doesn't work, you can also try to use any other charger or power adapter that you may have, for example from your smartphone, as they work as well. However, if that doesn't help, you can also use the dock. You can simply insert the console into the dock and you can use the dock in order to charge the console. And if none of this helps, then the reason why your Nintendo Switch might not work might be actually due to something wrong with the console itself. So it might not be the fault of the ports, or it can actually be the fault of the ports, but since if you tried the docking station and it didn't help as well, then most likely it is the battery itself in the console. So what you want to do is you want to contact the Nintendo support, explain the issue, tell them that you tried everything, that you changed the USB cable, you used different ports, you used a different charger or power adapter, you also used the docking station, etc., and nothing helps. And in that case, I'm sure they will try to help you fix the issue for you. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.